How to add a question box to your Instagram story. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily add a question box to your Instagram story. So first thing, simply head over to your Instagram story. So just click on Instagram story, and from inside here just select photos and upload the photos anyone you want. So let's say I want to ask any question regarding this photo. So simply tap on this sticker icon at the top and just click on this question. As you can see, there's an option called question, and you can customize your questions just like this. And once you do that, simply adjust your questions or reposition it and just click on send button, and you will have successfully shared it with your friends and family just like that. So that is exactly how you can easily add a question box on your Instagram story. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.